Are you ready to uncover the unsettling truth behind KFC's iconic fried chicken? What if every crispy bite comes with hidden costs, impacting our planet and its creatures far beyond the price tag? Beneath the mouth-watering aroma lies a story of environmental harm and ethical concerns that might make you reconsider your next meal.
KFC serves millions globally each day, but environmental organizations have raised alarms about links to deforestation. Reports suggest that the soy used in chicken feed and packaging materials may come from suppliers associated with deforestation in critical regions like the Amazon and Indonesian rainforests.
These practices destroy habitats for countless species and accelerate climate change by releasing significant amounts of greenhouse gases. Animal welfare is another troubling aspect. Investigations by animal rights groups have uncovered distressing conditions within parts of KFC's supply chain. Overcrowded farms, rapid growth breeding, and inadequate living environments paint a grim picture of what chickens may endure before reaching our tables.
Promotional videos may showcase idyllic farms, but some independent visits reveal starkly different realities, raising questions about transparency and accountability. In response to criticisms, KFC has announced initiatives aimed at improving environmental sustainability and animal welfare standards. The company pledges to eliminate single-use plastics and enhance sustainable packaging by 2025. Efforts are also underway to source chicken from suppliers that meet higher welfare criteria. While these commitments sound promising, skepticism remains about their implementation and effectiveness.
Meanwhile, KFC's marketing portrays joy and togetherness, featuring friends enjoying meals in vibrant settings. This suggests that indulging in KFC is part of a happy, active lifestyle. Critics argue this is misleading, as many menu items are high in calories, fats, and sodium. Regular consumption can lead to health issues like obesity and heart disease, especially concerning when advertising appeals to younger audiences.
Despite these revelations, KFC remains a beloved brand, offering quick and tasty meals that fit into our busy lives. But it's crucial to look beyond the enticing flavors and consider the broader implications of our choices. Environmental degradation, animal suffering, and personal health risks are interconnected issues that affect us all.
In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and ethical practices, companies like KFC have a responsibility to lead positive change. Meaningful actions and genuine commitments can set new industry standards and contribute to a healthier planet. As consumers, staying informed empowers us to make choices that align with our values, encouraging businesses to adopt more responsible practices.
So next time, the irresistible scent of fried chicken catches your attention, remember the hidden costs that may come with it. Awareness is the first step toward making choices that benefit not just ourselves, but the world we share. Together, we can hope for a future where enjoying a meal doesn't come with a side of guilt, but with the confidence that we're supporting a sustainable and ethical system. If this gave you something to think about, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to World in Depth for more insights like this. Let's keep exploring the world together.